How to delete all of your voicemail on Android. If you're looking how you can delete your voicemails, this is how you do it. First thing you do is tap on your dialer and then click on the three lines at the top right. It might be different depending on the device you have, so just head over to settings. And once you land on the settings page, you'll have the voicemail option here. And if you have turned on your voicemail, all of your voicemail will be recorded here and it will be saved. So if you want to get rid of all of them, just go ahead and long press on this or just open settings first. Head over to your app settings and then simply search for phone. So just tap here and then search for phone, tap on it, and then click on the storage option. Now if this is your default phone dialer, just make sure to clear cache first and then make sure to clear data. It will clear out all of your data, including files, settings, recordings, and everything else. Tap on delete, and all of your voicemail recordings will now be deleted. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.